Data Science Frameworks, a complete guide. The data science frameworks are the most sophisticated algorithms for advanced tasks that deal with projects in machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. Data science frameworks are the backbone of analytical projects provided.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Providing a structured approach to implementation like data processing, modeling, and visualization. With the advancement, in addition to new frameworks and methodologies, they also aid in extracting valuable information from raw data. From predictive analytics to machine learning, data scientists carry various tools and techniques for businesses and innovators. In this comprehensive guide, we'll be discussing the fundamentals of data science frameworks, their practical applications, and more key factors. Understanding data science methodologies. Data science methodologies are structured frameworks that guide systematically approaching and solving complex problems using data. While data science methodologies provide a structured approach to performing data analysis, data science frameworks offer pre-built libraries, tools, and resources to help in implementing such tasks in projects. Use cases of data science frameworks. Talking about data science use cases, there is no such industry or field where its applications are not applied. With the diversity of applications to generate essential data necessary to make strategic decisions, data science frameworks have been involved in various fields, and let us explore a few now. Healthcare, marketing, e-commerce, finance. Factors for choosing the right framework. As easy as it might sound, it actually isn't about choosing the perfect framework for your project, especially with all the options available. But here are a few factors to be considered that will help you perfectly choose the right data science framework. Project requirements. Start by analyzing the requirements of your project. Consider factors such as the type of data, complexity of your analysis, and desired outcomes of your data project. This helps align your requirements with the frameworks. Ease of use. Analyze the ease of use of multiple frameworks from the finalized list of frameworks. Factors like documentation quality and community support are to be considered in narrowing down the learning of such tools and improving productivity. Ecosystem. Examine the size and activity level of the framework that provides regular updates with a collection of third-party libraries. Also consider the availability of trained models, extensions, and integrations within the framework's ecosystem. Performance and speed. The performance and speed of the framework are very important resources, just like any other, especially for computationally intensive tasks. Look for benchmarks and performance to compare the framework's efficiency in handling large datasets and complex computations. Flexibility and customization. By examining the flexibility and customization options offered by the framework, you can finalize the list of frameworks to be used as resources for your project. Features like modular architecture, extensibility, and customizable components allow you to meet your unique requirements flexibly.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.